How to share any post on CoinMarketCap feed in social media. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any post on CoinMarketCap feed to social media like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. So first thing you have to do is go to the app. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Go down and go to the feed page. Now here you will find the posts, and let's say that you want to share this post, for example. All what you have to do is click on this option here, this icon, and click share right here, and it will give you this option. Now right here you will find many social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, as you can see. Also the Bluetooth, imagine there is the Bluetooth, Google Drive, Gmail, and Messenger. There is many options that you can choose between to share this post. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.